The LEVOIT Classic 300S Humidifier is a powerful, top-of-the-line humidifier that is perfect for large rooms or homes. It features auto mode, which automatically adjusts the humidifier settings to maintain the perfect level of humidity, as well as smart controls that allow you to customize your settings and schedule time. The top fill design makes it easy to refill the tank, and the aromatherapy feature allows you to add essential oils to create a soothing, relaxing atmosphere. The nightlight provides gentle illumination, and the vesync app allows you to control the humidifier from your smartphone or tablet. Its whisper-quiet operation of less than 30 decibels ensures that you won't be disturbed while sleeping, and its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces. With a tank capacity of 6 liters and a floor area of 505 square feet, this humidifier is the ultimate in comfort and convenience. Here's what I'll show you in this video. Powerful performance, fully upgraded. The unexpected 4 times faster humidification lasts for 60 hours and covers an area of up to 505 square feet. You can also use the app to customize the humidity so that it adjusts automatically without worry. Best humidifier for bedroom. Lying in bed, using the app or Alexa to control settings, the humidifier will raise RH by 12% in 30 minutes. Enjoy the soft night lights, and the sleep mode will give you an optimal, sleep humidifying environment. Better baby care. The baby has higher requirements for humidity, and the auto mode will maintain the humidity at the healthiest level. Plants needed. In addition to the most basic plant humidification, it offers you more comprehensive plant care programs, including scanning recognition, more professional encyclopedias, and specialized custom plant management. Convenient top-fill design. The large opening makes refilling and cleaning the tank easy. Enjoy the convenience of a zero-leakage designed products. Relaxing aromatherapy. You can add your favorite essential oils to the aroma box and enjoy wonderful, fresh-smelling air. Satisfaction guaranteed. Experiencing issues, Amazon customer support team is always ready to help. If your product is defective, don't worry about shipping it back. They will send you a replacement right away. Eight reasons to buy. This humidifier can last up to 60 hours on a single fill. This humidifier will automatically adjust settings with the auto mode function to maintain the desired humidity level. This humidifier provides aromatherapy to help you breathe better. The top fill design makes it easy to refill your humidifier without spilling water everywhere. Use the app or Alexa to control settings and make it easy to use. Whisper quiet operation of 30 decibels allows you to sleep easily without disruption. It comes with 360-degree nozzle rotation for better humidification coverage. The large tank of this humidifier can humidify up to 505 square feet, making it perfect for large rooms. 2 reasons not to buy. Sometimes it becomes loud in high settings. If you are using distilled water, then you have to clean it very often. Can I turn off the display screen at night while the humidifier is still running? Answer: yes, the display can be turned off on vesync app. When the unit runs low on water, does it send an alert to the app on my phone? Answer: yes, if the water level is low or the water tank is lifted, it will send an alert to the app on your phone, and you can also see a notice on the vesync app. Does it need a filter? Answer: this humidifier does not require a filter. If using essential oils, the aroma pad will need to be replaced. Do I need to replace the water filter sponges? Answer: no, it's designed to block the big particles. You can clean it under running water. How many milliliters does it use per hour? Answer: it uses about 300 milliliters on the highest mist level. How do you clean the foam filter inside? Answer: you can remove and rinse it under warm water to clean it. Is this BPA free? Answer: yes, these classic 300S are BPA free. Rest assured, it's perfectly safe for your family. The LEVOIT Classic 300S Humidifier is a powerful and fully upgraded humidifier that can quickly raise the RH level in a room by 12% in just 30 minutes. It also features a top-fill design, whisper-quiet operation, and aromatherapy. Plus, it comes with a smart app that provides enhanced controls and customization options. This humidifier is ideal for use in bedrooms, large rooms, and homes with babies or plants. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.